Over the next few minutes, I will be revealing to you proven ways to flatten your stomach in days, which scientifically proven and tested. Make sure you watch till the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Losing the fat around your midsection can be a battle. In addition to being a risk factor for several diseases, excess abdominal fat may make you feel bloated and discouraged. Luckily, several strategies have been shown to be especially effective at reducing your waist size. If you dream about having a flat stomach, this video may be just what you need. Here are 14 proven ways to flatten your stomach in some few days. 1. Eat more fiber, especially soluble fiber. Soluble fibers absorb large quantities of water and slow down the passing of food through the digestive tract. This has been shown to delay stomach emptying, causing the stomach to expand and make you feel full. Furthermore, soluble fiber may decrease the number of calories your body is able to absorb from food. By eating soluble fiber, you are also less likely to accumulate fat around your organs, which reduces your waist circumference and the risk of several diseases. One observational study showed that each 10-gram increase in daily soluble fiber intake decreased fat gain around the midsection by 3.7% over 5 years. Good sources of soluble fibers include oats, flax seeds, avocados, legumes, Brussels sprouts and blackberries. Eating soluble fiber has been linked to a reduced risk of developing fat around your midsection. 2. Do some cardio. Doing cardio, or aerobic exercise, is an excellent way to burn calories and improve overall health. Additionally, studies have shown that it is very effective at strengthening your midsection and reducing your waistline. Studies usually recommend doing 150 to 300 minutes of moderate to high-intensity aerobic exercise weekly, which translates to roughly 20 to 40 minutes per day. Examples of cardio include running, brisk walking, biking and rowing. Doing moderate to high-intensity cardio for 20 to 40 minutes per day has been shown to be effective at reducing belly fat. 3. Drink protein shakes. Protein shakes are an easy way to add extra protein to your diet. Getting enough protein in your diet can boost your metabolism, reduce your appetite and assist with fat loss, especially from your midsection. Furthermore, studies have suggested that adding protein shakes to your weight loss diet may be especially effective at reducing your waist circumference. Protein shakes are an easy way to add extra protein to your diet. Including them as part of a weight loss diet has been shown to be effective at reducing your waist size. 4. Do resistance training. Losing muscle mass is a common side effect of dieting. This can be detrimental to your metabolic rate, as losing muscle decreases the number of calories you burn on a daily basis. Doing resistance exercises regularly may prevent this loss of muscle mass and, in turn, help you maintain or improve your metabolic rate. Moreover, resistance training may be especially effective at tightening your midsection and reducing your waist size. In fact, combining resistance training with aerobic exercise seems to be the most effective for slimming your waistline. Resistance training may prevent the loss of muscle mass often seen with dieting, which may help maintain your metabolic rate and reduce your waist circumference. 5. Do exercises standing instead of sitting. Performing exercises while standing up may benefit your health more than performing the same exercises while sitting or using weight machines. By standing, you activate more muscles to maintain balance and hold up your weight. Therefore, you'll spend more energy working out. A study comparing the effects of standing and sitting exercises showed that some standing exercises increased muscle activation by 7 to 25% compared to sitting. Another study suggested that standing may improve your breathing compared to sitting. Although this may seem like a minor alteration, it may strengthen your midsection and is worth a try. Doing exercises while standing instead of sitting may burn more calories, activate your muscles more and improve oxygenation and breathing ability. 6. Add apple cider vinegar to your diet. Apple cider vinegar is linked to several impressive health benefits, most of which are mainly attributed to its content of acetic acid. Several animal studies have suggested that acetic acid may reduce body fat accumulation. Although human studies are somewhat lacking in this area, one study in obese men showed that taking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar each day for 12 weeks reduced their waistlines by 0.5 inches (1.4 centimeters) on average. Apple cider vinegar is mainly made up of acetic acid, a compound that may reduce body fat accumulation. 7. Walk at least 30 minutes each day. A combination of diet and exercise is probably the most effective way to achieve weight loss and improve your overall health. Interestingly, studies have shown that you don't need to exercise vigorously to reap health benefits. Regular, brisk walks have been shown to effectively reduce total body fat and the fat located around your midsection. In fact, walking briskly for 30 to 40 minutes, about 7,500 steps per day, has been linked to a significant reduction of dangerous tummy fat and a slimmer waistline. Walking for 30 minutes daily may slim your waistline and prevent the accumulation of dangerous tummy fat. 8. Drink water. There are at least 3 ways in which water may help you achieve a flat stomach. First, it may help with weight loss by temporarily increasing your metabolic rate. In fact, drinking water may increase your total energy expenditure by up to 100 calories per day. Second, drinking water before meals can make you feel fuller, so you'll ultimately eat fewer calories. Third, it may help relieve constipation and reduce belly bloating. Try drinking a large glass of water before each meal. It may help you achieve your goal. Drinking water may increase your metabolic rate, make you feel fuller and help relieve constipation, all of which may help you achieve your goal of a flatter stomach. 9. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a technique that helps you recognize and cope with your emotions and physical sensations regarding food and hunger. It involves slowing down, eating without distraction, focusing on your physical hunger cues and eating only until you feel full. Most studies agree that mindful eating helps you lose weight by changing your eating behavior and reducing stress-related behavior, such as stress eating and binge eating. Also, it is more likely to help you keep the weight off in the long term, as it focuses on changing your behavior. By eating mindfully, you can focus on your physical hunger and eating only until you're satisfied. That reduces the risk of stress eating and binging. 10. Avoid swallowing air and gases. The biggest source of gas in the diet is carbonated beverages such as soda. The bubbles in it contain carbon dioxide, which is released from the liquid in your stomach. This may cause stomach distension or bloating. This can also happen when you chew gum, drink through a straw, or talk while eating. Eating in silence, drinking from a glass and swapping carbonated drinks out for water may help you achieve a flatter stomach. Carbonated drinks and gum may both cause stomach distension and bloating in some people. 11. Reduce your stress levels. Stress and anxiety are very common, and most people experience them at some point in their lives. Stress is linked to the development of many diseases, and it is also a common reason why people tend to eat or binge eat, often without being hungry in the first place. Also, stress triggers the body to produce cortisol, a stress hormone. It has been known to increase appetite and lead specifically to belly fat storage. This may be especially harmful in women who already have a large waist, as they tend to produce more cortisol in response to stress, which further adds to belly fat gain. Try to add some stress-relieving activities to your daily routine, such as yoga or meditation. Stress triggers the production of cortisol, which increases appetite and drives belly fat storage. 12. Eat more protein. Protein is the most important nutrient when it comes to weight loss. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than fat or carbs. Therefore, a high-protein diet may account for an extra 80 to 100 burned calories per day. High-protein diets also reduce your appetite, make you feel full and help you retain your muscle mass during weight loss. Furthermore, studies have observed that people who eat more protein have slimmer waistlines than those with lower protein intakes. How much protein you need depends on many factors, such as your age, gender and activity level. Generally, you should aim to get 20 to 30% of your calories from protein on a daily basis. This can easily be achieved by incorporating a protein source in every meal. High-protein diets may increase your metabolic rate, reduce your appetite and help you retain muscle mass during weight loss. They are also linked to lower abdominal obesity rates. 13. Have the habit of eating eggs. Eggs are healthy, high in protein and have a few unique weight loss properties. A large egg is very nutritious and contains only about 77 calories. Studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast as part of a calorie-restricted diet may cause up to 65% greater weight loss over 8 weeks, compared to other types of breakfast foods. An egg breakfast has also been shown to significantly reduce calorie intake for the next 24 hours, automatically and without effort. Moreover, eggs have been shown to be more effective at reducing waist size than other foods with the same calorie content. Eggs have well-established weight loss properties and may be more effective at reducing waist circumference than other foods when matched for calories. 14. Get enough sleep. Getting a sufficient amount of good sleep is very important for weight loss. Studies have repeatedly shown sleeping less than 5 hours a night for adults and less than 10 hours for children is linked to an increased risk of weight gain. In women, short sleep duration is consistently linked to increased waist size, compared to those who get a good night's sleep. Similarly, sleep-deprived people are up to 55% more likely to become obese. Luckily, shifting sleep duration from shorter lengths to healthier lengths has been shown to help eradicate these effects. Those who sleep too little are much more likely to gain weight and have increased waist circumference, compared to normal sleepers. As you can see, there are many strategies that can help you achieve your goal of a flat stomach. By incorporating some of the tips showed in this video into your daily routine, you may get to see your six-pack sooner than later. Keep in mind that it may take some time and effort, but will all be worth it in the end if done properly. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.